Dexta Daps speak out on men preying on young women in Jamaica and also send condolences to Canis Jackson's family.
No, say, just for meditate the whole thing what happened. My girl don't want you just feel like say you can go around and it just fuck up for even try meds if you understand it. You understand me? I say, the most we can say right now to our family is just my condolences. Because we can't bring back the little girl, you see me? I say. And I go to she would have be the breadwinner for your family. You never know that, you know. So you never know who to take. You take one important person in your life. Life is everything. Comes to one of my conclusion them with Jamaica.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post joke, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Now, people, before I go any further, I just want to reach out to all of the young ladies them in Jamaica, you know what I mean, every female in a Jamaica. I just want to tell them to protect yourself, because even up to yesterday, we see two separate incidents where they was trying to kidnap females. You see me, something at my Harbour View, and another incident happened at Independent City over Portmore. So it's like, you know what I mean, in these times where you see what happened with Canis Jackson, you'd expect, say, people would have afraid for even attempt doing them something. Luckily, in both of those incidents, though, they weren't successful and people intervened and nothing never happened. But that is just two incidents that we know about. What about the ones I'm going to know about? So one of my followers, them send me something on Instagram. I already posted it on Instagram and I feel like I can share it with the rest of Uno. Now this is an Android feature. It's a SOS feature. I want to know what SOS means, save ourselves. And it show you how it share your location and anything if anything happens. So you press your power button 3 times or 4 times, whatever settings. So I'm going to play the video. And may I ask everybody, just take the time out, turn it on. If you watch the video, just remember, turn it on, people. This could be the difference between you know what I mean, somebody finding you and find out what go on with you or not. So may I go play the video so you can hear and see, and then me tell you what go on with Dexta Daps. Alright, so here goes.
Hi everyone, so this is a safety feature that the Android phone has, and I think that I should demonstrate it because a lot of people don't know about it. So what you do, you go into the settings on your phone and then you're going to scroll until you see advanced settings, advanced features, sorry. So you're going to touch advanced features and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see send SOS messages. So you touch it and then you're going to turn it on. So you press off and it's going to turn on. Once it's on, it's going to ask you to select 4 numbers. So I am going to just select 4 random numbers just for reference, and then I'm going to press done. So basically that's what it is. But if you want to go through and read what it says that you can touch your power button in case of emergency. Press your power button either 3 or 4 times, and what it does, the 4 people that you put on your list, they are going to get an SOS message with your location, and they are actually going to get that every 15 minutes, and they are also going to get a 5-second video or picture. You would also get a picture, I think, where you can see your environment. So in case of an emergency, when they get the message, they can work with that. They can work with your location, and they can also work with the picture and the video to hear what is going on and to also see. So I think that everyone who has an Android phone, parents, you can show your children this. This is really important in a time like this, okay? Thank you.
Now, thus far, in the comments, them over Instagram, we see people that say, you know, different model of phones have different kind of features. So you kind of search around and find out how your phone work. But there's also one for the iPhone too. This is just for Android, right? But there's one for the iPhone when you can just look online. I also post that, but it's just text. And you know, this video gonna be extra long if we just got you reading and all that. Now, if you follow Dancehall IG on Instagram, I posted on Sunday, I think. So yeah, have to scroll along a little bit for find it. Or like me say, you can just go up on YouTube or anywhere else and look it up. Now, people, let's talk about Dexta Daps. Because Dexta Daps is not a man where him no come on the internet and really talk about nothing at all. You know what I mean? Him just doing posts for him, he shows them and so on. You know, some have a really burning, and Dexta Daps decide to talk about it, film talk, as we see even things with himself and him barely even say nothing. So, you know, he did feel like he had to say something about this Canis Jackson situation. Again, condolences to her family and her friends, you know what I mean, rest in peace. Very sad situation, and we're glad say them have the perpetrator, right? But I'm going to play the video so you can hear what Dexta Daps say, because he must say, you know what I mean, Jamaica need to do something about this situation. So I'm going to play the video so you can hear what he must say, alright? So take a listen.
Jamaica, I'm tell you this. They are Florida, they are Atlanta, they are about enough places where I see weapons are legal. You can just get a weapon. You understand what I say? You know what that means? You can protect your life. You see, in a Jamaica, and this might sound fuck up, but at the truth, you see, in a Jamaica, you have to own a whole lot of property. You have to own things if you can obtain a weapon to protect your life. That means a property you are protecting, a brother. What about the life of people who have gonna protect property? Make the thing run up on one woman in a Florida, but you want to rape her out her Persia, take her fishing when and bust your pussy. Yeah, me know that for a fact. You see me I say that one of the biggest things them Jamaica can understand. Now at first, if you do this, we have a little purge. Yeah. The weak one them who have them gun and things say yeah, but that's what life is. Sometimes it just move forward from that. But if we don't start do something about it, people are going to protect themselves. This is going to continuously happen. We can't look upon police and say, you need to do that and you need, because them not dead when the girl them get raped. We can't even look upon certain people. And another thing, we don't really want to get into this damn thing because of people call people Dan really. But the youth them will have the influence in the community them. If uno get rid of the youth them in the community, we have influence. The youth them will say no raper can't dep on my block. Oh, uno are going to do that. Police in alone can't take care of Jamaica, you know. Police in alone can't do it. They need the support of the community them, so need people with influence in our community. You can't have a big woman in our community who she have so much influence and she not support certain things, and then she have certain youth around her where she can line out and say, yo, make sure you say that in order. And them people don't want to get rid of. And them who call Dan people who have influence who are trying the community them. No, you know what you feel like we not fuck up Dan too, you know. Fuck up Dan we support rape and them thing there. And them one don't get rid of. It's a balance. But if we not get the help from the community and the leaders of the community, we only never put in charge. People over there on the ground every single day. How it a go fix? How you gonna know what go on? Start think. If we not do nothing, nothing will be done. You understand what I say? It just so just keep on continue. Another girl get raped, 10 artists voice song about it, release it and get at. You know, depend that we don't know. Big up to the people them want do something about it. Big up to the youth them that them community when on a rape about that, them know them a bully. And that me a deal with. You see me I say me a response. Bumbo cloth. We don't know the meds. I don't even want to get into this too much and go on like say I want to say too much. Big up to my ladies them. Canis, rest in peace. Jamaica me a watch you know. I love Jamaica though, I not sell out. But please me could do something about this. Yeah, come on for this alive, you know. Bless up to everybody who tune in same way. You hear? Never had to say nothing still, but I just feel like I need to say something. You see me I say, and the people them out there when not say nothing, who have influence, please say something.
So now hear what Dexta Daps say, and him have to speak up because you know his fans are females. And like for me, my platform are built by females. Every platform I build are mostly women. My YouTube are basically 70% females, right? And you know most of my other platform them have a high percentage of females too. Okay, so I have to make sure say we look out for the females them, and that's why I'm going to that little thing there at the front of the video. So please don't forget to turn on the safety feature. All right, ladies. All right, big up on yourself.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.